Hello, everyone. I'm Sona, your English language teacher, and welcome back to Sona's English podcast. I studied English language teaching, so I will guide you step by step. Today, we are going to do a 5 to 8 minute English shadowing exercise. Even if you're walking, cooking, or lying down, you can do this right now. No excuses. 5 minutes is all it takes. Remember, this isn't just listening, this is speaking practice. So speak out loud and follow along. Don't pause, don't skip, and let's dive in. My morning starts with opening the curtains to let the sunlight brighten the room. It's your turn to repeat. I open the curtains to let the sunlight in. I open the curtains to let the sunlight in. Then I take a long, deep breath and stretch my arms above my head. Now you say it. I take a long, deep breath and stretch my arms. I take a long, deep breath and stretch my arms. Sometimes I wish I could stay in bed a little longer. I tell myself just 5 more minutes. Repeat after me. I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. After that, I sit up and glance at my phone to see any new messages. Your turn. I check my phone for new messages. I check my phone for new messages. Next, I head to the kitchen and drink a refreshing glass of water. You say it. I drink a refreshing glass of water. I drink a refreshing glass of water. I always make a cup of coffee because it helps me wake up fully. Repeat. I make a cup of coffee. I need coffee to start my day. I make a cup of coffee. I need coffee to start my day. Then I grab a quick breakfast to keep me energized. Your turn. I grab a quick breakfast. I grab a quick breakfast. If I'm running late, I sometimes skip breakfast entirely. You say it. I skip breakfast when I'm in a hurry. I skip breakfast when I'm in a hurry. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Your turn. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. Sometimes I bring my own lunch from home. Say it. Sometimes I bring my own lunch from home. Other days, I go to a nearby cafe to eat something light. Other days, I go to a nearby cafe to eat something light. Repeat. Other days, I eat at a nearby cafe. Other days, I eat at a nearby cafe. I enjoy eating with my colleagues and chatting about work and life. Your turn. I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day. I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day. Sometimes I prefer a quiet lunch alone, listening to music while I eat. Say it. Sometimes I enjoy a quiet lunch and listen to music. After lunch, I like to take a short walk to feel energized. Repeat. After lunch, I take a short walk to feel energized. After lunch, I take a short walk to feel energized. In the afternoon, I usually make another cup of coffee to stay alert. Now you say it. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee to stay alert. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee to stay alert. Then I focus on completing my tasks and finishing my work for the day. It's your turn. I focus on finishing my work. I focus on finishing my work. When I finally get home, I like to relax and unwind. Now you say it. When I finally get home, I relax and unwind. When I finally get home, I relax and unwind. Fantastic job! You just practiced almost an entire day in English in just 5 minutes. That's incredible progress. The more you describe your daily routines in English, the more natural your speaking will become. Thanks for practicing with me today on Sona's English podcast. Keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep improving. I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.